Okay, here's the helmet that we're going to use to install this Cardano here. And let's get rid of the stuff that we don't need at this moment off the table. And we don't need this. And we do need rubbing alcohol. I don't think we do because we're not gonna stick things. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay. And and let's see, that one. So we're gonna probably need this one. I'm still deciding on which microphone to use, either to hide it inside and talk, or have it lit, stick it in, move like this. I don't know. I think I might just put this thing aside. I'm not sure it's gonna be talking like this. I don't know. I'm still deciding on this one. And then this thing goes on sideways like this, with like this, and then earpiece. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on this thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it upside down like this. I used a tablecloth, or not tablecloth, a blanket, so that it doesn't scratch the helmet and things like that. So let's go ahead and take the inner cushion thing out of here. Okay guys, I did a close-up for you, so hopefully you can see a little bit better. And so at first, I think let's go ahead and install the earpiece. And let's check and see which one is left and which one is right. We do have the shorter one and we do have the longer one. So because we're gonna have let's see, I am missing. So because we're gonna install this on because I'm a little bit of lefty, so I like doing things on left. And so most likely, let's see, helmets like this. So it's his front. Okay, so I want to do it like this and slide up. Okay, so we got that figured. Oops, it got tangled a little bit. Let's untangle it. Okay, all right, so it's untangled, so we're gonna go this way. And so having this way, we're gonna connect like this. So let's do the shorter one on this side and longer one on this side. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, so let's go ahead and in fact, let's do this one first. Okay, so face this way, so upside down. And all right, so let's go ahead and undo this part. Just cushion here. All you gotta do is this part and this part is magnetic. So can you hear that? Okay, so we just kind of lightly and gently try to, let's pull. Let's see if we can somehow just enough to wedge. There it goes. So let's go ahead and take this part out. Okay, great. And try not to ruin this thing. These two plastic pointer thing are the ones trying to keep this thing in line. If these things broke, you're out of luck. This thing will come off easier, then it gets to be a very, very uncomfortable ride for you. All right, so let's go ahead, let's make sure that this side. And so let's go ahead and put this little thing, a clip, right on this side. And I think I like it just right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it go ahead and slide it through. Maybe I'm just gonna go a little more center. and then push it down like that. Okay, is that pretty good? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, and then I am going to use this. I guess the microphone's next. So remember, it's a shorter one we want to use. Oh, it just wants to tilt now. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this one in. Okay, and then through here we're gonna kind of, let's see, find a little ear, the left side speaker to, I'm not sure if you can see it, it's got a little ear spot for it with a bunch of holes. And let's go ahead and put it right. Not sure if I should do, okay. In fact, I'm going to put a little sticky thing, peel it off, okay, and I'm just going to put it, place it right. Can you see that? Place it right there. Okay, so it can be nice and sticky. And then I'm just gonna put, which one's a short one? Here's a short one. And I'm gonna put it with the Velcro, and let's put it right, just like that. Okay, great. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side, and then oops, and using this, okay, and I already undid that one where the speaker thing is right there, and I'm gonna stick it right in the center. Great. And I'm gonna use this. Here's like a Velcro right there. Let's see, let's travel. Rather than doing the front, let's do it in the back. How about that? And so you can travel, hide it, and stick it in here. So let's do that. Mount it just like that. Okay, great. Now, let's hide this thing. Okay, so let's snag this guy's in. Okay, and that part in. Okay, great. And that one's already in, and let's snap that one in. Okay, great. Looks good, looks good. All right, we're doing really, really good. Okay, now let's put this under cushion thing right around and tuck it in. Tuck it in. It's gonna be great. Okay. Okay, great. And then let's kind of put it back in here. And okay, in fact, let's kind of let it loose for a little bit because we don't know what we're gonna do with the microphone. And here's a microphone here. And I gotta find I think I'm gonna use this microphone just because That way you can hide it and it's not in your way. So, and I think I'm gonna place it where the little my mouthpiece is just right there. I think that'd be a good spot for it. So let's go get another adhesive. And where did, oh, it fell down. Okay. So here's the adhesive. And I'm just gonna stick it on the bottom part. Come on. Okay. I'm just gonna stick it right by there. So okay, well, that's it. And this guy goes right here. And that, just like that. Okay, how's it look? Doesn't it pretty good? Sorry for taking a little bit long time. I mean, it should be really simple, but somehow it dragged down for a little bit. But this will help you to how to install your helmet for Cardano, so you can have a communication device, so you won't be bored without hearing a podcast or music or Spotify or whatever. I'm not. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to leave a comment, please do so. And I'll see you next video. See you later. Bye bye.